Hello, this is Elisa from eFace2Face, and I'm going to walk you through creating a conference call. So first thing we'll do is we will come up here to our third icon, which says Directory. Click that. And all the way at the bottom here, you will see a blue button that says Create Conference. Click on that. Hello. And you will see yourself appear in the upper left. That is your agent window. And on the right side of the screen, you will see the eFace2Face logo. Now, at this time, it's a conference of one, so I need to invite someone to it. We have a very easy way of doing that. So come up here to the Add Party button, click that icon, and you have the choice of inviting an external client or inviting an agent from the directory. So let's look at inviting an external client first. You can click here, and you have two options. You can click here and type in your party's email information. Email myself. The other option you can do when you want to invite an external client, I'm going to come back here, click Add External Client, Invite External Client, and click Copy URL. So now I've copied my conference URL to the clipboard, and then I can paste that, send it another email, however I want to do that. If I want to invite a large number of people, it's obviously going to be much, much faster to copy the URL to the clipboard, and then I can paste that into a mass email and send that out as I need to. So if I wanted then to invite an agent from the directory, come down here, choose Invite Agent from Directory, and I could click whatever agents I wanted to add. Well, I can only choose Dave because he's the only one that's available right now. And you will see the names appear at the bottom. Dave here has a green dot next to his name, and that shows that he's available, so I can add him to the conference. I can't add anyone else because they are all offline right now. You will see next to my picture there is an orange dot. That shows that I'm actually in a call right now. If I had a red dot next to me, that would show that I was unavailable, that I just marked myself unavailable. Kind of a do not disturb. If you want to delete any agents from your invitation, you just come here and click the X next to their name and they disappear. But when you choose someone, you can click Invite to Conference, and that will send them an invitation where they can open it right away. So on my other computer, I am now connecting to the conference. I just put in my name, email address, and my webcam and speaker microphone information. So just join the conference. If you look below here, you'll see in the conference information, my name as the presenter is up on here on the top, and then Jane Doe, who is my client. This is my client window. Hi, you can see the bigger window that's waving. The client is there. If I had more people, they would also be below here, and we would share the video space. You can see because this is a client and not an agent, she doesn't have the choices of being an owner or a presenter. That's not an option for a client. The client can edit, meaning I can give the client control over the video. I'm sorry, control over the documents and things that are on the desktop. Now here are my options that are over here. This shows that I'm the owner of the conference. This shows that I'm the presenter, so I can share documents or other things from my computer. This shows that right now it does not show me as the editor because I'm not presenting anything. But if I were presenting something, I could then become the editor, or I could give editor control to someone else. Right here it's showing that my video is on. If I were to turn off my video, at this moment over on my other computer, there was a freeze frame of the exact moment when I clicked that button of video off. I can still see my own video in the upper left side. This is the one that I'm showing as my client video. I'm sorry, as my agent video, but the client can't see that. Click it again, and now it's become live on my other computer as well. This is the audio on. If I toggle that off, I've just muted myself. Now they can't hear me. And then over here, this is the kick icon. I can't kick myself off of the conference because I'm the creator, but I can kick other people off of it, which could be useful. So if I wanted to, I could make, if I'm presenting something here, I could make the client the editor. If there's another agent that's also involved in the call, I can make them the owner as well, or I could make them presenter as well, because other agents have presenter capability. They could also be editor. I can turn off my client's video. As you can see right there, I just turned off the client video and I made a very attractive freeze frame of myself in that last moment. That's the inverse of what they see when you do that with your own. And I can also mute my client. I've already muted the client audio on that side, so that's not a problem. And now, because if I click the red icon here, it will end the entire conference call. If I just want to end it with one individual, I can click here and I'm going to do so. And I've just ended the call with that particular client. I could continue on with other clients. I can continue the conference and add other people at this time. And that is how to create a conference call.